Hey there, Airbnb hosts. Whether you're brand new to hosting or you've been at it for a while, we know how much work it takes to run a great Airbnb. From cleaning to guest messages to making sure there are enough towels, it's a lot. That's why we're here to talk about something simple but super powerful: checklists. In this video, we're going to show you how checklists can make your life easier, help you stay organized, and even improve your reviews. And stick around. We'll also tell you where to grab free Airbnb checklists that you can start using right away. Let's be honest, hosting can get hectic. You're dealing with bookings, cleanings, restocks, guest questions, repairs, and maybe even working a full-time job on top of it. It's way too easy to forget a tiny detail that ends up causing a big problem, like not putting out enough toilet paper or forgetting to replace a burnt-out light bulb. That's where checklists come in handy. They're like your behind-the-scenes assistant, keeping you on track step by step, so you don't have to rely on memory. Whether it's prepping your place for guests or making sure the kitchen has all the essentials, a good checklist takes the stress out of hosting. Picture this: a guest arrives, tired from a long trip. They walk into your listing and, oh no, there are no fresh towels. The bathroom light is out. The Wi-Fi password isn't anywhere to be found. Even if the place is beautiful, that guest is probably not leaving a 5-star review. Now imagine you had a guest-ready checklist, a cleaning checklist, and a welcome setup checklist to follow every time. You'd catch all those little things before your guest ever walked in. Checklists don't just help you stay on top of things, they also make it easier to train cleaners or co-hosts, keep your property consistent, and reduce last-minute stress. At Marvelous Host, we've put together a full collection of Airbnb checklists, and yes, they're completely free. Here's a quick rundown of the ones you'll definitely want to check out. Cleaning checklist, so every corner is spotless and nothing gets missed. Cleaning supplies checklist, so you always have the right tools on hand. Beginner host checklist. If you're just starting out, this one's gold. Guest safety checklist, for fire alarms, first aid kits, and safety basics. Pet-friendly checklist. Hosting guests with furry friends? We've got you. Kid-friendly checklist. Make your place welcoming for families. Eco-friendly checklist. Want to go green? Start here. Maintenance checklist. Monthly tasks that prevent costly repairs later. Kitchen essentials checklist. Stock up with everything a guest might need. Superhost checklist. A roadmap to reaching and keeping Superhost status. For work checklist. Perfect if you're attracting business travelers. Amenities checklist, so you never forget the wow factors guests love. Each checklist is designed to be clear, practical, and easy to follow. No fluff, just what you need. So how do you get all these awesome checklists? Super easy. Just head over to marveloushost.com, that's our site, and download them all for free. You can print them, edit them, and start using them today. No sign up required. Just real tools to help real hosts.